Hello everybody and welcome to Brand New Vegan with another recipe that is one of my absolute favorites. I make it all the time. I've been accused of using meat. People see the picture and they say I use meat. It's not. It's vegan gyros. And those are mushrooms, folks, not meat. With a homemade tzatziki sauce. It is so good. It is so easy. It's ridiculous. And I'm going to show you how to make them right now. So you put your mushrooms in a dry pan, just like that. Portobellos, use whatever you have. I like the big portobellos because they have more of a larger texture, more like meat. About 16 ounces worth. The marinade ingredients are on my website. I'll post a link in the description. You whisk them together, the wet and the dry. You pour that into the mushrooms. And that, folks, is it. That's how simple this is. Cook that over medium heat. Oh, don't those look good? And they are, trust me. There you go. So now that the mushrooms are done, all you gotta do is make the tzatziki sauce. So simple, so fast, so good. Little tofu, not drained or anything, just dump it in. Little lemon juice. You can use a couple whole lemons. I use the bottled lemon juice instead, about 3 tablespoons. Little apple cider vinegar, gives it that sour cream tang, little garlic. Now that's an English cucumber. I cut it in half and then chopped up pieces. That's it, half of an English cucumber, a little dill seed. By all means use fresh dill if you have it. Is it just me or anybody else have trouble getting that stupid salt thing open? Anyway, a little salt and blend up. You might have to stick your spatula down there to get things going, but once it does, it's pretty simple. Now this is not in the recipe, but it's plain plant-based almond milk yogurt, and it adds a nice little tang to it. It's Kite Hill. You can find it probably in your grocery store. Don't have to use it, but it does add a nice little tang to the tzatziki. A tablespoon or 2. Now these are the Pita Breads that I get from my local Fred Meyer, just so you see what they look like. And if you look at the ingredients, they are oil-free. So they're McDougall compliant. And that's it. You just put them together. Put your meat or your mushrooms, whatever you want to call it. However you want to build your gyro. Some English cucumber. Some fresh red onion. Got to have red onion. Some tomato. Watching this video, I forgot to add lettuce. Oh well. Some tzatziki, a little bit more meat. They are so good. So good and so easy. So there you go, vegan gyros with homemade tzatziki sauce. Hope you liked the video. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Be sure to subscribe. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next week with another recipe. And this is Chuck Underwood from Brand New Vegan.